After World War II, Europe was split in two. Imagine a line drawn down the middle, with one side under the influence of the United States and the other under the Soviet Union. This split marked the start of a long standoff called the Cold War. On the US side, Western Europe saw a lot of American influence. The US wanted to stop communism from spreading, and did so by offering help in different ways. NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Think of it as a club where countries promise to protect each other if one gets attacked. International Monetary Fund, IMF and World Bank. These are like big banks that lend money to countries to help them grow and stabilize their economies. General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, and World Trade Organization, WTO. These organizations work to make trading between countries easier and fairer. Thanks to these efforts, Western Europe enjoyed economic growth and closer ties with each other and the US. On the other side, the Soviet Union's influence meant Eastern Europe followed a very different path. Central planning. The government decided everything about the economy, like what to make and who gets what. Social welfare. The government tried to take care of all its people's needs, from healthcare to education. Comecon. Council for Mutual Economic Assistance. This was the East's version of economic teamwork, but it focused on helping communist countries work together. Warsaw Pact. This was like NATO for the East, a promise among countries to defend each other. However, this system also had big downsides. People had little freedom, and the government had a lot of control over their lives. This led to unhappiness and even revolts, like the Prague Spring in Czechoslovakia and the Hungarian Revolt of 1956, where people tried to stand up for more freedom, but were shut down by the Soviet military. Can you think of any situations like this now? Tell us in the comments, share to find out what your friends think, like the video, and subscribe for more.